Guys, we are back at the end of it now. It took about 7, 8, 9 minutes. And let me show you, I hope I don't drop it, but let me show you how high up we are. So, we're at the railing. We are really far down. That's the river over there. That's how far down we are. Oh, fall, won't fall. Don't say that. There's a woman there just crouched down. Right, guys, I'm going to show you. We're going to be walking down now. I think she's gone. She's gone.
I'm gonna keep the hood up though.
I don't have a fucking hood.
But I was like, Tom, just put your hood up. Fucking car. Oh yeah,
Right, guys. This is what we're going down. She's over there. Wait, she's over there.
No, I'm saying this part is like hard and going up and going.
She's looking.
Just go down. Just go.
Alright, she's gone now, fuck it. Right, guys, this is what we are walking down. Really steep. Go here!
Down there, but I don't care.
Oh, fuck it, they're not going to do it.
We're holding to this lady for our lives.
Oh, God. Guys, we're nearly down now. We've gone about halfway, I have anyway, they haven't. Oh, sugar, I nearly fell then. Oh, God. Yeah, there's like a fat rock here where I fell down. Guys, that's what we've just walked up. That is really high. We've just been on that. Oh! I fell then. Fuck's that? Yeah, but... oh. Right, guys, we are back now. We are on the ground. That's what we've just been up. Over there. We've just been on the top of that. Scott's still getting down, but we've just been on that. We couldn't get over that side because it's that big fence, what we can't get over. Anyway, guys. Right, watch out. Hope you did enjoy the video. Make sure to drop a like. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Check out Scotland Games. Check out my channel, Tom Wooden. Thank you for watching. See you in the next, guys. See you in the next one, guys. See you in the next one, guys. Peace.